So once you've opened up a design, you're going to go to the left side and you're going to select apps. After selecting apps, you're going to go to the bottom and look for something which says trending. After selecting apps, you're going to scroll down and then look for something which says popular. Now here it says Mockup, so we're going to select it. And then we have a variety of different designs that you can use either from an image to a video. So for this example, I'm going to start off with a video. So I'm going to select this video here. And now we have a video which has been added to our design, but we need to expand it so that it can fit into the canvas. So we're going to go to the edge here where the circles are, and I'm going to drag it. And then on the other side, I'm also going to drag it as well. And I'm going to play the video so I can see what I'm working with. Now what we need to do is we need to drop an image or a video into the space over here where you can see the clouds and then the grass. So now it says here, insert your image. Drag and drop any image into the mockup. The easiest way to do this is from the Uploads tab. So I'm going to use my image, for example, here where I kept it in downloads, and all you need to do is simply drag and drop it. So I'm going to drag it and then just drop it there. So as you can see here, the image that we dropped has been added to the mockup. And let's say that you can see a few black bars or white bars. Then that means you need to adjust the image so that it fits into this area. So essentially what you can do is you can go to the image here and then you can edit it if you want. And you have to make sure that it is within this area. So you're going to adjust it, drag it, and then make sure that it fits properly. So let's say that there's an open space here and you don't know how to fill it in yourself. Then you're going to go to this option here where it says fill. And then that's going to automatically adjust the image for you so that it can fill the entire area. Or let's say that you want this image to fit properly into this area. You're going to go here, then select fit. And then you're going to select fill. Or if you don't want to do it yourself, then you can automatically use Smart Crop. This will automatically adjust, fit, and fill the image for you. And then you can also change the alignment if you want to. You can either choose left, center, or right. So I'm going to keep it to center. And then you can also flip the image if you want to. You can either flip it horizontally or vertically. It is your choice. And then you can also detach the image. Then all you need to do is simply just delete it. Then you can add in another image if you want to. So I'm going to use this one and then I'm going to drag it here. And as you can see, the other image has been added. But the only problem with using this method to find mockups is that there's not a lot of options that you can choose from, and it is very limited. So basically, if you want a specific design, you will not be able to find it by yourself, and you have to manually scroll and then see if you can find the design that you're looking for. This can be time consuming and it can waste a lot of time. But however, there is an easier way to do so. You're going to go to the top left and select the 3 horizontal lines. Then you're going to select home. After selecting home, you're going to go to the app section here on the left side. Now where it says recommended, it's going to say mockups. And then you can find many more designs that you can choose from. And let's say that you want a specific design, then you're simply going to search for it here. I'm going to search up smartphone, and it's going to give you multiple designs for the smartphone mockup. I would highly suggest that you use this method to find mockups if you're looking for more specific designs or you want to save a little bit more time. And there you go.